Alright, so there was a new Digigods update. I couldn't record it, but the tutorial is completely revamped. But let's, I guess let's go explore. Okay, what do we got here? Ooh, quests. That's new. Oh, sick. I already get a reward? Oh, nice. Got a daily reward. Let's go. Oh, they got yo-yos. Hold on, that's kind of goated. Whoa. Nice. Little light action. What is this? What is this? I did not expect this when logging into Digigods. Key card. Okay, I guess we're just gonna... Whoa! Oh, we got a little nightclub? A little rave action? Sick, dude. Hello out there. I mean, so far, I just loaded in, but so far this update seems to be a huge W. It seems to be goated. I like it so far. So yeah, I hope you guys will join me in me exploring this update further in future videos. So yeah.